Hi, I'm Ivan Chung. I'm a real estate practitioner at Ayala International Sales, and I'm already 6 years in the real estate industry. And these are my tips a real estate agent will tell you, but you need to know. My number one tip is understand the process carefully. Do not invest even if you have the money if hindi mo siya totally naiintindihan. For some instances, there are some agents na hindi transparent sa process. There are clients na na-encounter ko na hindi aware sa total payment na kailangan nilang bayaran. They thought na magmamonthly lang sila, but little did they know, after paying the monthly for about, let's say if it's a pre-selling project, it would take about 5 to 7 years to pay. And if it's ready for occupancy or nakatayo na, it's about 1 to 4 years. And we are talking about 10 to 30% lang ng total contract price. Kaya mas mababa yung monthly. Then after your contract with the developer, usually, you have to pay it for lump sum or kailangan mo ng bank guarantee kapag ikaw ay mag-i-installment. And there are some clients na hindi pa ready sa process na ito. And what I highly suggest, it's better to check yung total cost, ask your agent or broker about it, and if meron pang other fees na kailangan mong bayaran, if meron move-in fees, kung kasama na ba dyan yung taxes, transfer of title, para ma-assess na rin sa simula pa lang at hindi magkagulatan at the end. And so for my number two tip is, if hindi ka magka-cash basis and if you plan to pay it in installment, I highly suggest na magsika muna ng bank approval first. It's very crucial na sa beginning pa lang ay maisip na natin ang long-term expenses or meron na tayong naka-allot na budget for the investment plan. Buying a property is really a long-term financial goal. It's important to know na meron bank or any financial institution na willing mag-lend sa atin ng money for the remaining balance of your property after ng contract mo with the developer. This will also be your security para ma-avoid natin ng cancellation or penalty. I highly suggest na 6 to 8 months before mag-end ng contract ay mag-seek na ng bank approval. There are banks na matagal ang process, and good thing naman kapag ma-approve siya. Usually ang mga validity is about 1 year, but there are also banks din na depende rin ang process or validity niya. Paano mo nga ba talaga masasabi na ikaw ay ready na bumili ng property or ready ka na mag-commit sa investment? So my number 3 tip is, tulugan mo siya ng 3 to 7 days, at kung naramdaman mo na gusto mo pa rin siya after 1 week, that's the time na masasabi mo na ikaw na ay ready. We often decide by our emotion, and usually kung ano yung nararamdaman natin, yun yung nagpapauo sa atin para mag-purchase at kung bakit tayo nagiging impulsive buyer. Kaya I highly suggest na pag-isipan ito mabuti, lalo kung mag-i-invest ka at ay hindi biro ang ilalabas mong money. Think about it, i-assess mo, at kapag naramdaman mo yung same desire ng first day mo siya nakita and you're capable, financially ready, and that's the time that you can say na you are ready. Number 4, neighborhood matters way more than location. Bakit? Well, a typical agent would normally suggest na ang main consideration for investment is the location. Well, in fact, it's true. A location talaga ang magdadrive ng property value mo in the future. But along the way, if your investment's purpose is for personal use, isa sa pinakamahalagang i-consider mo is your neighborhood. Many developers sell same properties in the same location but offer different kind of neighborhood. I highly suggest na mag-research sa buyer's profile kung anong klaseng kapitbahay ba ang pakikisamahan mo. In the long run, it's up to you to tell if you fit in that kind of neighborhood. My number 5 is accept and be familiar with the as is where is. Ano nga ba ang as is where is? Well, usually, meron mga pinapapirma ang mga developers na as is where is or IV form kapag ka ang property ay ready for occupancy na. This means that you are accepting the property for its current condition, regardless kung ito ay merong light damage or meron siyang minimal defects. And it's really important na ma-check mo siya on hand or personally para ikaw din mismo ma-assess mo if tatanggapin mo yung property or not. But there are also advantages na pwede mong i-consider kapag ikaw ay bumili ng as is where is property. It's below the market value. It can usually save about 10 to 30% of the current value. And sometimes, hindi naman konting renovation lang din ang kailangan para maibenta mo yung property na yon sa current value. Well, that's it. I hope this helps you make smarter choices. Keep learning, ask questions, and always check the details.